Recipe of the day: Chinese lemon chicken. Ingredients: chicken breast, egg, bell pepper, onion, Kikkoman soy sauce, corn flour, sugar, chicken broth, garlic, ginger, sesame seeds, and honey. Cut the bell pepper in 2 strips. Chop the onion, mince the garlic, and grate the ginger. Dice the chicken in a medium bowl. Crack the egg. Put 2 tablespoons Kikkoman soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of vinegar. Whisk till well combined. Cut the chicken. Fry the bell pepper for 20 onions for 3-4 minutes. Drain the chicken and cover with corn flour. At the same pan, fry the chicken.